हेलो फ्रेंड केमिति अछंती न्यू वीडियो रे आपन को पुनी थे स्वागत। लेट्स स्टार्ट। A human body is made of organ. In all organ is made of tissue. Human body organ को नहीं गठित, organ tissue को नहीं गठित। आशा पड़िबा tissue। सिंगल सेल मीन्स यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म माने तांकर ऑल द एक्टिविटीज लाइक रेस्पिरेशन, डाइजेशन, एक्सक्रिएशन etc are performing in single cell. So single cell means unicellular organism has no tissue level. In this unicellular organism all the vital cellular function like digestion, respiration, excretion etc are performed by a single cell. What is the definition of the tissue? It is the group of or more cell type and their intercellular substance that perform a particular function. किछि group of the cell गोटे सेल रो ग्रुप जदि किछि सेम परफॉर्म करंती किछि समान फंक्शन करंती ताहाले ताकू कोन कहा जिवो टिश्यू बोली कहा जिवो. स्टडी ऑफ टिश्यू इज कॉल्ड हिस्टोलॉजी. फादर ऑफ हिस्टोलॉजी जावियर बाइचट. इन एनिमल टिश्यू स्ट्रक्चर, फंक्शन एंड लोकेशन आर फोर टाइप. एनिमल टिश्यू को स्ट्रक्चर, फंक्शन एंड लोकेशन हिसाब रे चारि भाग रे विभक्त करायछि. एपिथेलियल टिश्यू, कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, मस्कुलर टिश्यू, नर्वस टिश्यू. एपिथेलियल टिश्यू origin ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. What is the ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm? Ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm are three germ layer present in our embryo. In ectoderm is the outer covering of the germ layer, endoderm is the inner covering of the germ layer and mesoderm is the middle covering of the germ layer. So epithelial tissue is originate ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. What is the function? Function is a protection, secretion, reproduction, absorption and excretion. Next, connective tissue. Connective tissue originate only one germ layer is called mesoderm. Function is attachment, support, storage, transport and protection. Then muscular tissue. Muscular tissue is originated only mesoderm. Function is movement and locomotion. Nervous tissue are originated only ectoderm. Nervous tissue is highly present in our brain. So only brain tissue is present ectoderm. Function is control and coordination by nerve impulse. Then next video we can see epithelial tissue and its details. So please subscribe in our channel. Thank you for your watching.